Welcome aboard the brand new Disney adventure. This is a deluxe family veranda stateroom, and I'll be walking you through the layout and a quick tour of the space. As you enter, you'll see the room opens with a queen bed and small nightstands with built-in lighting, outlets, and USB-C charging. Next to the bed, you will see a small couch, which converts into additional sleeping space for additional guests. The private veranda offers a really nice outdoor area with seating and open ocean views. It's a great spot to start your morning with some Mickey waffles or to wind down in the evening. Our particular cabin had a Spider-Man theme with artwork above the couch and above the bed, which continued the theme of the overall ship's design. Across from the sleeping area, you'll see a mounted TV, a small vanity, and a large mirror. Note that the hairdryer does hang below the mirror. It did take us a while to find it, so hopefully that helps save you some time on board. There's also a small folding table that you can pull out and use as needed. Walking back towards the front of the cabin, you'll see a small refrigerator. There's also a kettle, some really great coffee and tea options. I highly recommend trying those while you're on board. It was a really great touch. You'll also see the closet features 2 open hanging racks and a cabinet. There's a few shelving options there, and I will say the storage is a lot tighter than what I've seen on other DCL ships, so keep that in mind whenever you're packing. The bathroom is also split into 2 separate spaces. The first room includes the small sink, the toilet, along with the iconic Disney sea salt hand wash. That's always one of my favorite reminders that I'm on a Disney ship in the middle of the ocean. The second bathroom area does include a full sink. You've got your towel racks, there's some shelves for your toiletries, hand lotion, and a pretty large mirror. And one of my favorite parts about this cabin was the surprisingly spacious shower. For a cruise ship, the shower size definitely stands out. Overall though, the Deluxe Family Veranda Stateroom on the new Disney adventure, it is a lot smaller than what I'm used to, but it still has some of those unique touches that feel distinctly Disney. Thank you so much for wandering with me. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you'll subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.